Hey girl, and welcome back to the Pink Bubble. As y'all can see, Bubbles is back in full effect. Do y'all like her? Pink on pink on pink, period. It is day 7 of our 7 days of love. I have enjoyed this series so freaking much. But today's video is all about just Valentine's Day questions, little interesting questions that I found online to answer for you all. And I have one little question in there I'm just going to throw out to y'all to answer. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and make sure you comment below your answer to the question. Participate with your girl, okay? So, let's get into it. Alright, so question number 1 is, are you a romantic person? Of course, I'm a romantic person. I am doing 7 days of love right now. Like, of course. But I love love. I love cute things. I love hearts, and I love the thought of just being in love and the romantic flowers and dinner and special events catered around me, you, and our happiness together, our joy together. I love all of that. So, romantic person, I am. The next question is Valentine's Day more for women or men, and explain? I feel that Valentine's Day is for both, honestly, because it's a day of celebrating love. Like, it's not about one or the other. I don't know. Just for me, I don't really care about it specifically just being all about me, because we celebrating us. We celebrating love. And I wouldn't be in love if it wasn't for you. So why not just celebrate it together? Let's do something together, because you're going to gain from it too. I mean, I don't really mind. Honestly, for me, I don't mind it being 100% about me, and I don't mind sharing it with my husband. It's no specifics with me when it comes to that. And I know what y'all going to say. Sweetest Day is for the guy, though. I treat Sweetest Day the same way. It's about us. I'm your sweetie too, okay? And honestly, my husband don't give a damn about Sweetest Day. So, it really ends up being about me anyway if I want to do something. Because he don't really care, but it's the same thing to me. I'm your Valentine's, you my Valentine's. I'm your sweetie, you my sweetie. The next question is, what traditional gifts do you prefer? Chocolates, flowers, or a card with a personal message? I prefer to receive flowers. I love flowers. Like, I love roses so much. They are so pretty, and receiving them on Valentine's Day is so very sweet. The next question is Valentine's Day a day only for romantic stuff, or could it be a day to celebrate friendships? I honestly feel like it can be a day for both. Are you kidding me? All this glitter just wasted out of the jar, and I just bought this glitter. Like, package literally just came in the mail today, and it's all over the table and all on the floor. I am blue, okay? The next question is, do you like romantic movies, and what is your favorite romantic movie? Yes, I like romantic movies. I actually like comedy movies more than romantic movies, and my favorite romantic movie is The Notebook. Oh my God. I'm telling y'all, that is how Sean needs to go out if I go out before him. He gotta come on, lay in his bed, and come on with me, okay? I think that's what took the cake of the whole entire movies for me, honestly. But no, that movie is like super romantic, and it really shows you how no matter what happens and no matter what state you are currently in, if you love somebody, you're going to be there with them. He ain't just put her in a nursing home and say, you done lost your man, you don't remember me no more, so I'm going to go ahead and move on with my life. No, he ain't do that. He said, I'm going to make the nursing home come to you, okay? And then not only that, I'm going to come read you and tell you our life story for the rest of your life. What? Tearjerker. So the next one is Valentine's Day, the most romantic day of the year. I would say the point of it being romantic and going out to stores and having to see it, I would say it gets you in the spirit of love. Yeah. So I can say yes. Although I feel like when you have somebody, not only this one day of the year that America say should be, where you focus on love, I think it should be like every day. And also on your birthday, that should be romantic time as well to receive some good romance and love. But for the sake of the spirit of love, Valentine's Day can be the most romantic day for you. The next one is describe the perfect Valentine's date. I think a scavenger hunt would be a really cool, nice, unique Valentine's date. Just searching around in different places and different areas based on the clues that has to do with like the love that you all have for each other, inside jokes that you guys have, where you first met, things like that. That would be nice and fun. And do it out of town. So the next is, how should a single person celebrate Valentine's Day and what are your suggestions? So for me, and I think I said it in my last video, if you're single and Valentine's Day come around, I would really treat myself. Like I would buy myself flowers, get them sent to my job, and I don't care, with a personal note saying, you go girl, you the shit, you the bomb, you everything I want, you everything I need, and you are perfect, you are acceptable, you are everything. All them good affirmations, I would send it to myself. I would celebrate myself on that day. I would go out with me and another one of my friends, or we have like a day in, a girl's day in, something. I would still celebrate, because beyond having a romantic relationship, you can still celebrate love. It's beyond just it having to be with a partner or with somebody. Yes, it's special in those occasions, but when you're not in those situations at that moment, whether it's by choice or not, it doesn't matter. You should still treat yourself. You should still celebrate you, because baby, guess what? I love me some me. So that would just be my suggestion. Get with some of your homegirls and have a good time. Surprise yourself at work with flowers. And when they say, excuse me, you have a package at the front, you have a delivery, I'll walk to the front and say, ah, for me? I would literally do that for real. But that's a me thing. Whatever makes you happy, treat yourself, go shopping. That's what I feel you should do. Celebrate and reward you regardless. So the next question asks, do you enjoy playing Cupid? Do you introduce people to someone else in the hopes of them making it work, falling in love and all of that stuff? Honestly, no. Because when you introduce two people to each other that basically you're the mutual friend of both of them, every time something happens, they call you, telling you what happened. And you just become like the third person in a relationship. And it's like, I don't want all that. Man, like, I'm good with the whole mind your business thing. My business is being mined, okay? I don't want to know everything that happened just because I know both of y'all. Like, when it's something serious, tell me. But just telling me everything, it's too much. It's too much. So, no. Cupid, doll face is a no. So, the next question is something that I just thought about. Would you get upset with your spouse if they did nothing for you for Valentine's Day? So y'all let me know what y'all answer is to that question. Is it a no for you? Is it okay? Is it is what it is? Or is it time? It's time to start a ride. What is it for you, girl? Let me know. So the next question is, what color is love? The general color of love is red. You know, you do red hearts and stuff like that. And I do enjoy the color red on a fashion level and also when it comes to love. See, everything's red. I think red for real because love is such a powerful action and emotion to the point of when you're in love with somebody or that person's around you, sometimes your blood boils and, you know, you just get all real feely inside and your blood is red, and I feel like love is in your veins and it just pours out. And one of your veins is red, right? I think so. But anyway, I think red is the color of love because it's in your heart and your heart pumps blood, and that's red. So red it is. All right, so the last question is, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? My plans for this special day of love is, first, I'm going to be out making my shmoney and getting girls beautiful, doing their makeup for Valentine's Day. Then I'm just going to come home. Me and my husband, we're going to cook us a nice meal, drink on some wine, and we're going to relax, enjoy each other's company in the house, and watch movies and talk and laugh and just be one with each other in the comfort of our homes, because your girl does not like big crowds, and I know it's going to be super packed out that day, nowhere to park. The waitresses are just rushing you in and out of the tables just because it's such a big traffic. I don't have time for that. I hate big crowds. We're both going to get annoyed and be ready to go. So we're just going to stay in the house. And then, you know, I got this nice sexy lingerie for my man that I got on my bachelorette night. So I'm going to go and put that on, and then, you know, we're going to work on this baby. But that's about it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, happy Valentine's Day. Happy Love Day. No matter where you're spending it, no matter who you're spending it with, enjoy yourself. Be safe. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Okay? And give love, receive love, and just be full of it. I have truly enjoyed this series so much, and I can't wait for you guys to see what's next coming from your girl, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias at Yes It's Dollface, and I will see you all later. Bye.